Okay. I hope you all are able to see and hear me. Yes, no, you can comment down. We are live now. First of all, a very happy Diwali to everyone. So, okay, how many people are there? Yes, hi, Dikshant. Yes, hi, Ramya. Hello. Yeah, in today's this live mainly focuses on some of the important things for our channel. Yes, good evening, Praveen. Yes, Jashwant, good evening. Hey, hi, Ashwin. Very happy to see you, Shrikar. Yes, happy Diwali. So, if anyone wants to connect with me in five minutes, we will have the live session. Like you see, there is a link which is pinned on the chat, right? You can hit that StreamYard link and you can connect directly with me in the stream. Okay. Yes, Ramana Babu. Hello. Yes, good evening. Suresh. Yes, good evening. So mainly, I wanted to make sure I give this a live for a few things. Let me make it clear. First thing first, I'll be talking about some tools and technologies which are predominantly increasing in these days, right? And I wanted to make sure you all know those things. Point number one. Point number two, as you all know, I have given the giveaway for our 10K subscribers, right? So I will be announcing that winners in this live stream itself. And also, I see in Instagram as well as on LinkedIn, many of you are bombarding so many questions, maybe on your resume, maybe on your job search, maybe on how to crack some companies. So all of them can ask with me in one-to-one, right? So that is what I thought, and that is why I'm making it a live stream. So yes, I see 20 people have joined. Yes, Shiv Kumar, very much thanks. So if anyone wants to come into live, so as you can see, this will be the StreamYard link, which is pinned on the chat. Okay. So any queries you have, any questions before we start, you can comment on the chat. I'll be taking up that, and then we can go ahead and start the this live. So it's like basic. Yes, Shailesh has joined. Yes, after 2 months, guys, we are connecting on live. I know. Okay, Logic Ops Lab. Yes, happy Diwali, Praveen. Can we connect soon, mate? Yes, definitely, brother, and thanks for joining. Yes, that's awesome. So, Sailesh, I hope you are doing good and a very happy Diwali to everyone. Right. So, I hope you all are going through all the videos which we have covered as part of Bootcamp 1. And yes, I am in a plan to release the other bootcamp also, which will be coming shortly. As you all know, my leg is injured right now. I am having some issues with my leg, so ligament issue and microfracture. So I'm taking rest. Soon I will release that. Okay. So yes, any questions? I don't see any questions coming in. Okay, I think some sim has come into the stream. Okay. Yes, bye. Yes. Is it possible for a non-IT person to shift into DevOps? Yes, definitely, Viru. And guys, those who are new to this stream, I would like to tell you that many of my community members have got good packages with that bootcamp itself, bootcamp 1, and whatever the resume sessions I have taken or whatever one-to-one sessions I have taken, all those have helped me. So Viru, definitely you can also get it. Okay, so I see Sim has joined. So yes, Sim, go ahead and ask your question. And mostly, yes. Oh, Sim is Shivam or what? Okay. Hi, Shivam. Thanks for joining. So yes, definitely. So Viru's question was this: is it possible for a non-IT person to shift into DevOps? Definitely, Viru. We all can do it. So that should not be a problem. Yes. So I see. Hi, big fan of your hairstyle. Okay, thanks a lot, brother. That's really nice of you. Right. So, guys, let me tell you a few things. In our bootcamp 2, that will be like a Todford bootcamp. That will be advanced topics. Right. I'm making that things ready. I am planning something big for you all. So I will release those data soon. Actually, frankly speaking, my plan was like by November and December, right? I wanted to give all of you something very good, like what we say, like न्यू ईयर के पहले ही मैं कुछ देना चाहता था ताकि आप लोग नए साल को नया जॉब से स्टार्ट करें. बट ड्यू टू माय लेग इंजरी और सम रेस्ट आई हैव टू टेक ना, तो उसीलिए आई कुड नॉट डू दैट. बट डेफिनेटली in the progress, so we will definitely crack good opportunities. Yes, Shrikant is telling Hi, Deepavali. Happy Deepavali. Okay, currently, what are the high demand tools? Yes, let's talk about the high demand tools, guys. And as you all know, in our bootcamp one, what we have covered, mainly monitoring we have covered, security. Yes, security we have not covered. A little bit of the security we have covered, and we have covered the main DevOps tools, how to target the good organizations. Right now, I am seeing most of the people are learning this Python and data engineering in part of DevOps. Right, so slowly I'm exploring that also, so I wanted to give that also to you all. Right, so what is happening, right? The DevOps is expanding, and you all know in market many DevOps engineers are there, and opportunities are also in the same way, right? So I wanted my community to be the best one, so I am making some good points. I'm also making you all see I always make notes. Okay, so these are my Python. I have started writing my Python notes. So I'll definitely make that as a presentation to you all soon, as part of some boot camps. Okay, so definitely I'm also preparing. And one more thing, data engineering also is coming into picture a lot many times. So I started to see some Tableau, and one person I think have asked me, Praveen, can you tell me about Harness? Okay, so Harness is a tool which one of the company has used. Okay, and it is like a CICD tool only. It depends on the institutes to institute, the organization to organization, what kind of the CICD tool you use. Harness is basically a normal tool. I won't go into depth. Someone has asked me this question. Okay, so I'm talking about only the high demand tools. So Harness is a tool similar to CICD. It will have entire flow ready. It's like a platform as a service for us. Okay, how Jenkins is a tool where we onboard the CICD pipelines, where we onboard the things. Similarly, Harness has the complete PaaS service. Harness is a tool which is given by a third party, so you need to take that license and acquire that. So make sure if you are using that tool, so make sure you have the license and everything. But don't worry, guys, everything will be in the YouTube or internet. So definitely that is the point, like I wanted to tell. So if anyone is targeting in 2023, let's take in 2 months we are completing 2022, so I would recommend, guys, go ahead with Python, learn all those things. I'm already making notes for you all for our bootcamp too. So definitely we are going to bang with up more power. Okay, so Anirudh is asking, so no one wants to come live? I'm not seeing anyone is coming live. So Shivam is there. You all can, anyone can come live and ask me the questions. The link has been pinned in the chat. Okay, so if you see the live chat on the top, the link will be pinned. You can come onto the stream and talk with me. Okay. So if your video is off, that also should be fine for me. No issues. Okay. Anirudh is telling, do college grads do get a job in DevOps? Okay, Anirudh, I would like to tell you, one of my fresher student or community member has got 20 plus LPA. Okay, in top product based organization straight out of the college. So I would definitely say yes, we can get a job as a fresher. And Anirudh, do check out a few videos on the internships in my channel. One is with Nikhil Singh, one is with Prerit Munjal. And guys, in every video, I give the documents for you all to prepare to the interview, to apply to various opportunities, right? So definitely check in all the videos. You will have one or the other document. Okay. So as I'm seeing so many questions are coming in. I have 3 years of experience in network engineer. How can I get a job in DevOps field? Okay. See, Shiv, everyone can transform their journey from a DevOps to, from a network engineer, from a non-IT background, from any domain you are, you can come into DevOps. And I have my, okay, I see one person. From any domain you are, you can come into DevOps. Okay. And I have my, okay, I see one person. You need to mute me first. You can come into DevOps. And I have my, okay, I see. Okay, Ramya, I have muted you for a while. So if you want to speak with me, you have to mute me first, or else I think you have connected through two devices. You have to make me, okay. So you have to mute me first, or else I think you have connected through two devices. You have to make me.
No, I have only one device.
Okay, from where I am listening this.
No, I have only one device.
Okay, that's fine. Go ahead with your question.
Yeah, actually, I don't have any IT experience till now, and I wanted to grab my job in DevOps field.
Okay, so what are you currently working, Ramya?
I haven't any work. I don't have any experience.
Okay. Oh, okay. But when you graduated?
Like in 2016.
Oh, okay, okay. So Ramya, see, for 2016 pass out, there are many things we can do. Like you can keep all the projects which you have learned in the boot camp. Okay, like all my session documents, everything, you can take it. You can prepare a good projects with that, and you can keep trying for 1 year of experience. Because what happens, right, for DevOps, that to 2016 pass out, it's little bit difficult to get it. Okay, but it's not like you cannot get it. You will get it. Okay, so definitely I would say prepare your resume and start applying as a fresher. Also, that's not an issue. If you get some in startups or something, it will be good, right? If you show the skills to them, they will definitely hire you. And what I would recommend is go ahead and check my resume session, and I have given all the documents to you all in every video. Okay, prepare every tool, and no questions will be asked out of that tool. That is my guarantee. Okay, Ramya?
Okay. Would you recommend me to like do any fake experience or be genuine?
No, don't go with any such kind of things, because it will be impacting the things. Okay, I would recommend go with a genuine this. Okay, okay. Ramya, I'm muting you for now. I have other people to take in. Okay, okay, okay. Thank you, Ramya. So Ravish is here with us. So Ravish.
Hey Praveen, how are you?
हेलो ब्रदर, आपसे मिलकर बहुत अच्छा लगा. And
अरे बहुत अच्छा लगा यार. मैं बहुत दिन से सोच रहा हूँ फोन करने की, बट मैं सोचा था आज मैसेज ड्रॉप करता हूँ, फ्री रहेंगे, पूछ लेता हूँ इंजरी कैसी है, कैसा रहा सब कुछ.
राइट. नहीं,
अच्छा
हम
लगा.
तो सोचे आप कॉल करोगे, पर आपने किया नहीं. फिर
अरे मेरा खुद एक माइनर जॉ सर्जरी थी, उसकी वजह से मैं भी थोड़ा इनएक्टिव था, तो फिर मैंने सोचा ठीक हो जाता हूँ तो फिर कॉल करता हूँ.
अच्छा, बढ़िया.
तो अच्छा लगा मतलब बात करके. मैं भी एक सवाल पूछ लेता हूँ आपसे, जैसा कि सब पूछ ही रहे हैं. तो मतलब ये क्वेश्चन काफी लोगों के पास आता है, और समवॉट मतलब मेरे को लगता है कि आप इसका जवाब थोड़ा अच्छे से दे पाएंगे. तो लगा लीजिए जैसे कोई बंदा है जिसने डेवॉप्स में काम कर लिया 3-4 साल, ठीक है, और अभी वो किसी सर्विसेज कंपनी में है, मैं नाम नहीं लूंगा, सबको पता है. तो वो चाह रहा है कि अभी मेरा एज ए SRE, एज ए डेवॉप्स किसी प्रोडक्ट बेस्ड कंपनी में लग जाए. मतलब बड़ी कंपनी टारगेट करते हैं, जैसे माइक्रोसॉफ्ट हो गई, उसमें SRE की पोजीशन होती है, गूगल, एप्पल में भी बहुत है SRE बेस्ड वर्क. और जैसे आप खुद एक कंपनी में वॉलमार्ट में है, तो मतलब कैसे प्रिपरेशन होनी चाहिए? आप चाहे तो मतलब इसको तोड़ तोड़ के भी आंसर दे सकते हैं, यू कैन जस्ट बायफरकेट एंड टेल मी. और या फिर ऐसे बता सकते हैं कि मतलब किन किन छोटी चीज़ों पे पहले ध्यान दूं, कैसा इंटरव्यू प्रोसेस होता है. आप चाहे अपना एग्जांपल ले लीजिए वॉलमार्ट का. तो बस ये एक सवाल मतलब औरों के लिए भी हो जाएगा और थोड़ा बहुत मुझे भी ज्ञान मिल जाएगा.
Correct. So everyone, those who are watching this live, Ravish is my friend in LinkedIn. He has its own YouTube channel, and he is also teaching DevOps. So now we will discuss what Ravish has asked. Ravish is asking like how to target a product-based company, right? So in my case, I will tell my journey. How I have prepared is I know that what market is demanding. At that point of time, I know that market is asking me to have the Kubernetes. Market is asking me to have the Linux system administration.
Sorry to interrupt. मैं एक पेन निकाल लेता हूँ, मैं लिख लेता हूँ, काम आएगा. And every one of you who is watching, just take out your pen and paper and write down. ये बहुत काम आने वाला है आगे.
Okay, I'll tell my experience, guys, how I started. Before applying to any company, I prepared myself. So let's take, I started my job search from July 2021, but from January 2021, I started my preparation. So how I started, I will tell you. So I know that market is needing 3 things from us, okay, which I am not good at. I need to prepare myself. Okay, so first is Kubernetes. You all should know Kubernetes. What is the thing? At least if you are not doing the hands-on, on the theoretical knowledge, on the YouTube knowledge, at least you should have in order to crack the interview. Now, next thing is Linux system administration. Very much important, because you see in every cloud, maybe GCP, maybe Azure, maybe any cloud, any on-prem, DevOps is the people where they are actually working on the real servers. So you should know how the Linux volume partitioning you are doing, or hard disk partitioning you are doing, all those things. So I know that Linux system administration is important. Now, third thing you need to know is about the AWS, either of the one cloud. So what I did, now I am going into the next steps. Okay, so I took for Red Hat in 3 months. I cannot prepare myself. So what I did is I took Red Hat Linux system administration. What I believe and what I tell to everyone is invest amount on yourself, brothers. Okay, everyone. What investment you need to make is which will give you a high returns. Okay, now I cracked 25 offers, okay, and I got a chance to select one offer out of that because I invested 1 lakh with me, okay, before planning the job switch and everything. So Linux system administration costed me around 35,000, and I completed my AWS entire course on Udemy. But unfortunately, like last few sessions I left that, and I completed my other like you say Kubernetes. I joined one institute where I paid around 20,000 to them, and they taught me with the certification. Like I didn't go for CKAD or something. My plan was to only have the knowledge behind with me, right, to crack the interview. So I took that kind of course, which has helped me. So if you want that institute name, it's Cognitia. You all can opt for that, and very good course and very a precise course it will be, which will help you to crack the interviews. That is my confidence. Okay, so these three things. But now in 2022 and 2023, Python is also important, guys. So at that time because I know shell scripting, I didn't go for Python. But if you add these 4 flavors with you, definitely you are going to crack a good company, and that too top product based company. If you ask me, Praveen, in all of your interviews, what was the common question, right? So I would say every tool like Kubernetes, scripting, and Linux was very common, guys. So that is where I suggest you target those things.
Okay, so I have noted down all
Okay,
the points. I would just reiterate. So you started in
go ahead.
July 2021, and there are 3 things that we need to know. First would be Kubernetes. Even if you do not have that much of hands-on, you can have a theoretical knowledge about that. At least know the stuff.
Okay,
Maybe the
your voice is
architectural stuff.
breaking. Is it my voice, guys, or Ravish voice is breaking?
I'm not sure.
Abdul is
Is it
telling hi,
anyhow better?
Ravish and Praveen. Yes, Ravish, your video has got stopped. Okay, now.
Am I visible?
No, it's still breaking.
Is it my internet or
Okay,
your internet? I mean, I can hear you properly,
no,
I guess.
Guys, my video and audio are clear, right? Okay, both are clear for me.
Both
okay,
are
I
clear.
think okay, that's fine. Okay, Ravish, go ahead. Yeah.
Okay, so I'll just reiterate what you said for the people. And so July 2021, you started your journey, and 3 things you had in mind.
Yeah.
So the first thing would be Kubernetes. And if you do not even have the practical experience, then we should go with the theoretical, at least maybe the architectural part, how to draw things and stuff.
Okay.
After
Again,
that,
so you are
everyone
asking.
is hearing. No, I'm not asking anything.
Okay.
I'm
I
not
think
asking. I'm
my
just
side there is
reiterating.
some issue with your video. That's fine. I would answer right. You are telling how we can acquire the practical knowledge. Okay. So how I did is because I had less time, like 3 months of the data, 3 months of the gap I had. So I need to learn in those 3 months different kinds of tools and technologies. So I didn't concentrated that every tool I need to have hands on. Because of that, I didn't crack some of the interviews. But after that, it gave me a confidence that I knew the pattern, I knew all the questions, and that questions itself I have shared with you all. Okay, in the videos, if you see SAP Labs interview experience, Informatica, which I'm going to release in the next couple of days, or maybe next 3 days, I will be releasing my Informatica interview experience. Amazon interview experience, which I have tracked, and I have given Google where I got rejected. Microsoft, I was able to crack. So all these companies, if you see, right, everything, the pattern remains same. You need to know all these tools and technologies. Only know. If you have time, you can learn with the hands-on also. I am not going to say anything on that.
Okay, so Kubernetes, Linux, and Python should be the go-getter for everyone, right?
Yeah, Ravish. So that is how I prepared, Ravish, and it's a straightforward thing. I put some time, I put some money on my learnings, and that's how I got the other opportunities.
Okay, I think I should give session to other people. Thanks talking to you. I'll give you a call.
Sure, definitely. Take care. Okay, that was nice talking to you, Ravish. It was awesome. So I will take a few more people. I think Nagesh is here. Okay, both are clear. Yes. I would say even no call was scheduled for last 3 to 4 months in KH, shell scripting and Docker in resume, more than 20 services in AWS. Okay, Ayyappa, I think your resume has to be changed for some reason. Okay, definitely we will work on this. You can ping me on LinkedIn. Okay, and we can connect. Okay, I cannot tell why it is not getting selected, but these all things, KH, shell scripting and Docker, are the good things which you need to crack. Okay. Guys, stay till the end. It's already 8:20. In 20 more minutes, we will end this session. And I would announce now. I'm going to announce the winners of the giveaway. Okay, how many are there? 32 people are watching me. Okay, so I would like to tell you all that the first segment which has been given is to Shivam Sharma. So Shivam, if you are here on the live, you can ask me to come on the live. We will be talking about the giveaway. And the second I have given to Chandranshu. You all can check on the comments how genuine those were. I didn't expected so many comments to be on the video. So Chandranshu, if you are on the live, you can come and ask. You can join. So Nagesh is here, and I think okay, Gopi Krishna. And third, I have given the present gift of office segment to Gopi Krishna. Gopi Krishna is with me. I will soon have the other two also. So Shivam, if you are there, you can join. Okay. So hi, Gopi. How are you?
Yeah, I'm fine, Praveen.
Okay, that's great. So I'm waiting for Shivam to join and Chandranshu also to join. I'll message them first because you have joined. I wanted to see you all so that people also know that I have given genuinely. Okay, that's
Yeah,
great.
that's
Okay,
okay.
1 second, guys. Just give me 1 minute. I'm pinging Shivam also. Can you request? Where is Chandranshu? Okay, can you join live? Okay. Okay. Shivam is not there, but okay. I will talk with Gopi Krishna. So Gopi Krishna, I hope I have given you the. Okay, Shivam is also joining. That's awesome. Guys, just give me 1 minute. I'm pinging Shivam also. Okay. Whenever you guys are joining, I am getting echo. तो शिवम भाई बताओ कैसे हो और बढ़िया चल रहे सब? चंद्रांशु, ओके,
I'm fine भैया और मैं बहुत खुश हूँ लाइक
ओके। ये कहाँ से वॉइस आ रहा है मुझे, मतलब कहीं बैकग्राउंड से वॉइस आ रहा है, तुम्हारे पास से आ रहा है क्या? गोपी कृष्णा, so Gopi Krishna, I hope I have given you the. Okay, Shivam is also joining. Just give me 1 minute. I'm pinging Shivam also. हाँ, मतलब तुम्हारे साइड से इशू आ रहा है मुझे, मतलब ऐसा मेरे साइड से इशू है। बताओ कैसे हो और बढ़िया चल रहे सब? चंद्रांशु, ओके,
I'm fine भैया और मैं बहुत खुश हूँ लाइक
अच्छा चलो। और चंद्रांशु ज्वाइन नहीं हुआ, मतलब क्यों? बैकग्राउंड से वॉइस आ रहा है, तुम्हारे पास से आ रहा है क्या?
हेलो,
हाँ अभी सुनाई दे रहा है?
हाँ भैया अभी परफेक्टली सुनाई दे रहा है।
हाँ, तो क्या किया तुमने अभी बता? अभी वॉइस कम गायब हो गया मेरा, क्या किया तुमने?
भैया वो मैंने YouTube भी चला रखा था सेम विंडो में।
देखा, उसीलिए मेरे को पता, मैं देख रहा था भाई यहाँ पे क्या हो रहा है। ओके, सो I would like to first of all tell that Shivam has won one of the segment, and he has been true supporter of the channel. It's not like that I saw कि उनका genuine reason था और मैंने उनको इसीलिए लिया. So I think where is the other guy? Gopi, can you come on live? So Gopi has won the office segment, and in the office segment he has received the Boat AirPods as well as the other gift of watch, and yes, the transportation I have done. तो शिवम आपको पता है आपका कर दिया है मैंने, एंड आपको अभी गिफ्ट मिल जाएंगे एक हफ्ते में। एंड उधर थोड़ा आगे पीछे हो गया था, आप बताइए सबको कि क्या था सीन, इन शॉर्ट, इन 2 मिनट में बताओ क्या हो गया था। मतलब
पूरा बता दो भैया।
मतलब उतना सुनेंगे नहीं, बिकॉज वी वांटेड टू मेक श्योर कि सबका क्वेरीज भी मेरे को आंसर करना है। तांजिल भी ज्वाइन किया है, तो यस, तांजिल से भी बात करनी थी मेरे को। बता दो,
बता दो ना क्या क्या बताना है, मतलब
नहीं तो शॉर्ट में बता दो, मतलब प्यार से शॉर्ट में बता दो क्या हुआ था सीन।
काफी कुछ हो गया था, लाइक मैं बताता हूँ पूरा। एक्चुअली चंद्रांशु भाई जो है वो भी शॉर्ट लिस्ट हुए, लाइक उनका भी काफी जेन्युइन रीजन था और मेरा भी रीजन था, और लाइक क्लैश हो रहा था, बहुत मिक्स हो गया था, एकदम मर्ज हो गया था। फिर हमने और चंद्रांशु भाई ने कॉल पे शॉर्ट आउट किया कि यार तुमको क्या चाहिए तुम बताओ, और उसका जो भी रिक्वायरमेंट था मैंने ध्यान में रखा कि एक्चुअली गिव अवे क्यों होता है ना कि ये खुशी का टाइम है तो खुशी बांटने के लिए होता है। एक हैप्पी मोमेंट हुआ भैया के लिए, उन्होंने इतना मेहनत किया तो उनको एक अचीवमेंट मिला, तो वो उसके लिए उन्होंने जिन्होंने भी उनको सपोर्ट किया और एक्टिवली उनके व्यूअर रहे हैं और उनसे सीख रहे हैं, एक्चुअली मैं सही से स्टूडेंट बन के सीख रहे हैं उनसे, और जिनको सच में नीड थी उस चीज़ों की, तो उन्होंने उनको वो देना चाहा। और अब ऐसा हो गया था कि सेम रिक्वायरमेंट मेरे को भी थी और चंद्रांशु भाई को भी थी, और समझ नहीं आ रहा था क्या करे। फिर मैंने बोला कि नहीं, मैं तो कर सकता हूँ, लाइक कोई दिक्कत नहीं है, लेकिन सामने वाले बंदे को हैप्पी रखना ज्यादा जरूरी है।
करेक्ट।
चंद्रांशु से मेरी बात हुई और मैं बोला ठीक है, तेरे को जो जो चीज चाहिए तुम वो कर लो, और हमने कुछ गुडीज एक्सचेंज करने का करा और बहुत नौटंकी हुआ, मजा आ गया मतलब।
सही है, सही है।
और इसमें एक चीज और, कोई भी यूट्यूबर, अभी प्रवीण का सेलिब्रिटी बन चुके ऑलरेडी, ठीक है?
अरे ऐसा तो ऐसे मत बोलो, सब लात मारेंगे मुझे आके।
उसके बाद उन्होंने 2 घंटा तक कॉल पे बात किया और मैटर को सॉल्व किया बहुत प्यार से। और मतलब जो होता है ना, अगर कोई शॉप पे जाओ तो वो बहुत कस्टमर सेंट्रिक होता है, तो भैया बहुत ऑडियंस सेंट्रिक है लिटरली। मतलब मजा आ गया कि इतना भी नहीं सोचते यार आपके बारे में कि आपको क्या रिक्वायरमेंट है, आपको क्या रिक्वायरमेंट है, हमने कर दिया, जो करना है लेना है ले लो, देख लो तुम लोग, ऐसा होता है। मजा आया।
सही है, अच्छा लगा बात करके। भाई चंद्रांशु क्या हो गया, मतलब भाई
भैया मैं चाहूंगा कि मेरे को अपने फर्स्ट कंपनी में आपके जैसा टीम लीड मिले।
अरे मिलेगा, डेफिनेटली मिलेगा। और तुम मतलब अच्छा लगा। और वेयर इज गोपी? गोपी कैन यू ज्वाइन यार? आई डोंट नो, गोपी भी ड्रॉप कर गए, उन्हें भी मैंने भेजा था। और मैं बता दूं, एक मिनट, मैं गोपी को भी मैं व्हाट्सएप करता हूँ। गाइस व्हाट्सएप नंबर मैंने इसीलिए पूछा था ना, ताकि आई विल गिव दैट tracking IDs or DTDC में I have given my friend to send yesterday only. I have shared all the details with these guys. So I'm just pinging Gopi. So Gopi भी अगर आ जाए, at least 2 people, लोगों को लगेगा कि मैंने सच में दिया है। फिर पता चला कि लोग कुछ बोल रहे हैं। ठीक है, तो सही है। मतलब meanwhile I'll take some questions. गोपी को मैंने बोल दिया है ज्वाइन करने। So I see some questions here. कितने लोग देख रहे हैं? 26 देख रहे हैं। So okay, thanks Logic Ops. So तांजिल एक बार आप भी आ जाओ यार लाइव में। ओके, गोपी आ रहे हैं।
Hi Praveen.
Hi, great. So Gopi, how are you?
I am fine. Actually, my laptop is not working, so I joined through phone. Sorry for this.
No, that's fine. That's fine. That's good. So I hope you know that you have received the segment 3 of Office, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, and I have sent you the screenshot of the DTDC also. Okay.
Yeah, sure. Yeah, Praveen.
That's awesome. So guys, I just wanted to make sure you all know that the goodies and the giveaway was genuine. And this is Gopi. Gopi has received the segment 3, and Shivam has received some segments. So he will be happy with that, whatever he has received. So Tanjil, if you are there on the call, I would like to invite you also, because he was our chat moderator. Shivam, तुम्हें पता है Tanjil chat moderator थे, पता है ना हम लोग का सेशन में? करेक्ट. So
उसके लिए बहुत मैं बनूंगा, लोग बोल रहे थे बहुत.
Correct. So guys, I wanted to tell you, when I was talking with Gopi na, he was telling ki Praveen, if anyone is more deserving than me, तो उनको दे दो goodies. Okay. पर मुझे कोई comment मिला नहीं without like with Gopi's comment ना. Okay, Tanjil is also joining. Hey Tanjil, कैसे हो?
I am good. What about you?
बढ़िया बढ़िया भाई. और बताओ कैसे सब चल रहा है? अच्छा है?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
All
so
is
Tanjil was our true supporter of the channel. So I will, in front of everyone, I am telling, goodies giveaway, Tanjil, the main intention was to help the people who are in more need. Okay. So Tanjil, I will give you one Amazon voucher. Okay. Which is some amount, small amount, not that much big amount, but usse kuch na kuch aap le lena, jo bhi hai. It's like a gift from my end, because Tanjil was our true supporter, chat moderator. And that is why I wanted him to have something from my end. So that is what. So Shivam का West Bengal वाला goodies का transport charges बहुत लगे मुझे. that from Bangalore to West Bengal, that to 1.5 kg, 1.5 kg, both the things have to be sent. So I have sent him. So I will talk now with Gopi. So Gopi,
मैं सोच रहा था ना कि वो 2 फिगर में और तीसरा जो फिगर है वो पॉइंट दिया हुआ है बीच में.
करेक्ट. नहीं ऐसा नहीं है. मेरा दोस्त किया था ना, मैंने बोला आई एम एट विशाखापट्टनम, तो मेरे दोस्त ने किया था वो. So I will talk now with Gopi. तांजिल, thank you for joining. So तांजिल से मिलकर अच्छा लगा. मैं देखना चाहता था भाई तांजिल कौन है एक्चुअली, फेस टू फेस मिलना चाहता था मैं, तो इसीलिए बढ़िया. So Gopi, you all are good, right? So you will receive the goodies. So I hope it will definitely help you in some point of time. Okay. And that is how we have announced the winners, guys. And specifically so many comments, मतलब भर के comments आए थे अपने channel में, and it was really good. Okay. So Shivam, again, I would like to congratulate you and thank you for coming to this live. and it was great talking to you. आप drop कर सकते हो. I will take some questions because मैं नहीं चाहता कि audience wait करे. Okay. Thank you.
Bye all.
Bye bye.
Thanks for
Great.
having me here.
Great. Thank you. So I'll take now some questions. And Gopi, you can also drop. Thank you, Gopi. Okay. So Dikshant is asking, as a fresher. Okay, that's awesome. Okay. Hey, hi, Tirush.
Hi, Praveen. How are you?
Yeah, I'm good. How are you?
Just a second, I'll close my door. Sorry for this.
Good. So till then, I will take Dikshant question. As a fresher, versus startups, which will give more hands-on experience? I want both experiences. Okay, Dikshant, it depends on your on your luck purely. Okay, you don't divide when you are fresher that I want to go to MNC or I want to go to startup. Wherever you get opportunity, you grab that. And for the hands-on, I would suggest you go to startup also. That is good. More kind of pressure, more kind of learning, because small teams will be there. You can directly talk with CTO, CEO, or any one of them. So that is where if you are startup oriented, as a fresher, you want to work more hard, then startup is the option, or else go for MNC, and you will get eventually good projects. Okay, no worries in that. Okay, so back to you, bro. How are you?
I'm good. Thank you so much. How are you? It's been very long. I've been following you on YouTube regarding DevOps.
Thank you.
Like, I recently got a job offer. Like, I used to watch your videos. To be honest, even that helped me a lot, bro.
That's awesome. So, what is your name? I would. Okay,
I'm Tirush. I'm from Tirupati.
Oh, you are from Andhra.
Yes.
you are not looking like that.
I stay in Bangalore. I'm from Tirupati.
Okay, that's good. Which company you have got?
Right now, I'm in CloudMate. I've got in Certa.
Oh, that's awesome. So you ping me on LinkedIn. Okay, I would take your testimonial, and that's really awesome. So you wanted to say this, or you have any questions? So if you wanted to say
I'll
this,
resume you later. I have a small question. So what do you think the trend for the DevOps, as you have a lot of experience, I would say. So how would be the trends for the DevOps? Would people kind of expect regarding the development as well in the future? Because right now they're trying to push up the back end as well. I'm trying to understand the DevOps. Like, I have attended a lot of interviews. So the trend was going something like even they're expecting the back end work development as well.
Correct.
So what could be the future? What do you predict? So that
is what I am predicting now. That is why I told this is like where I will tell some special DevOps tools, technologies, and that is where I am talking about Python, because backend engineering is not only Java. It comes with Python also, and that is where I want my audience to learn Python also. So I am making notes for the next bootcamp or whatever my next future goals for this channel are. So I am also getting prepared myself. But definitely learn Python if you want a good package, na? Because what happens, the companies like Citrix or whatever, if you dream of big package, you need to target that standard itself, right? So like they just give the Python IDE, integrated development environment, and they will ask you to write code. You select the Python because you know some import statements, how to write a function, how to write a tuples list, everything. Then it will be easy for you. At least if you tell the flow diagram for them, they will be happy with that. So I would suggest, at least the future is that only. What is the future? DevOps with the data engineering is what the future is. People will be thinking that and expecting. Till now, what people are expecting? People are expecting that you should know Python. Now they are introducing slowly Tableau. You should know.
Eventually, everything gets pushed. Yeah.
Pushed into DevOps. So people see what is happening now in Tableau. If you see, if a Tableau engineer is there, he's only designing the charts or he's writing the backend code. But now people are expecting him also to work as a DevOps engineer. So our responsibility is by 2023, we should be geared up by learning all these things, right? So that is why
very fast. That's what DevOps does.
Yes. So that is what my motto was to have this live also. Like, more kind of Python you should learn, different use cases you should know. That's where the things will sort out. Okay.
Thank you so much. Looking forward to meet you.
That's awesome. Definitely.
I'll DM you on LinkedIn.
Sure. That's good. Okay.
Thank you.
So thank you. Yeah.
Wish you happy Diwali as well.
Hey, happy Diwali to everyone, and you also, Tirush. Yeah. Okay, you can drop off. So if anyone wants to connect with me, they can connect with me on Instagram. Okay. Okay. Ramya has joined. Okay, Ramya, I'm not able to hear you. Okay, Ramya, I would take your question in LinkedIn. Okay, you ping me on LinkedIn. Okay, so Manideep is joining. I will see. Manideep, you there? Okay, till then I will take this question. I have answered this. So Adesh is asking, I completed DevOps course for one of the institute. They covered Jenkins, Ansible, Terraform, Docker. It is sufficient. No, for non-IT students, it is not sufficient. See, completing course anyone can do. Okay, what main intention is how to crack the interview, right? See, these things now, these tools, technologies, every institute will tell, but they will not tell like how you can actually crack the interview. What is that ingredient or masala which I call, right? So you need to watch all the all the things. You need to make sure you are knowing all the questions of the tools. So how you search for the tools questions? Just go into the Google and you can type like what are the interview questions for GitHub. Okay, and also learn Python. This is the must and should which I would suggest, Adesh. Okay, Python along with these set of tools can definitely a little bit of help you. Non-IT students, not at all not at all an issue. You can definitely get it. Okay, so Manadeep is again joining. I'll take him in. Okay. Okay, Manadeep, if you want to talk, you can talk with me. Meanwhile, I will ask Najib question. Hi, Praveen. What task do you do at Walmart as DevOps engineer? Also make one video on DevSecOps pipeline. Very good thing, Mandeep. Najib, sorry. Very good thing, Najib. DevSecOps pipeline, I will make it. Okay. That is my promise. I will make one video on that. Definitely. Okay. Note at this point. Maybe by next week or next week, I will make it. Okay. And on the DevSecOps, very much important. So what are my tasks and responsibilities? I usually work on Kubernetes, solving the things. I work on chatbots, any issues with the bots and everything. I take care of that. And I usually work on the onboarding of the application into the CICD, making sure everything is running smoothly. If any issues from any teams, disaster recovery help, or else let P0, P1, if suppose an application has went into production, some production issues are coming. So how you are able to resolve those, right? So yes, for everyone who are looking at this, this is my Instagram ID, Singham for DevOps. You can connect with me, right? I usually give some good stuff there, some important things there. So you can definitely connect. Okay. So now I will be taking again one more question. So Daniel is asking, as a DevOps engineer, need to know end-to knowledge. Daniel, I would request you to watch my shell scripting session. Okay, I'm removing Manadeep. I don't know. I mean, he has not joined, so I have removed him. So, Daniel, for your question, I have given the session 5 on shell scripting. You can check my DevOps Bootcamp playlist. In that, I have given 10 scenarios of shell scripting with hands-on. You can definitely check that, and you can directly make that into your resume. Okay, that will help you. So, definitely go ahead and check out my session 5 on shell scripting. Okay. So yes, definitely I will learn. Okay. Thanks for asking. Okay. I see one more question. So you all are able to see me? Yes, no? You all are able to see me? Yes, no? Because I see my internet connection is... Okay. All are good, or what is this? My internet connection. Okay, I'm back. I think I am back. Yes. Okay. So I will answer this question. Yes. Okay. That's awesome. So guys, if you are watching this video, like the video, okay, because it helps ahead. I will be telling that many of you are watching my videos, but not liking that video. Okay. So what happens is when you like that video, it means you are liking some content, and the YouTube itself will promote that video to different other DevOps engineers who are in need of these kind of things. Okay. So when you see an Amazon interview experience, SAP Labs interview experience, or some other interview experience, so what happens is it will promote that video to every other DevOps engineer who are looking for that kind of content. Okay. So I would request you all to like the video whenever I release, to support that. And in Telegram, I see you guys are not helping others. So that is where we will learn. Okay. So yes, question, there is a cloud practitioner certificate for entry level. Similarly, is there any certificate? No, there is no certification for DevOps. You can do whatever tools, whatever technologies, whatever Python things you want to learn, and keep that in resume, and you will be the good person for that entry level. Okay. Now, I'll take Nagesh. Okay, Nagesh, you are in.
Hi,
Hey, hi,
hi,
Nagesh.
hi, hi.
Yeah,
Happy Diwali, and I'm a big fan of yours. Your hair.
thank you, Nagesh.
So my question is, what is the correct time to switch after first company? Like I am working in some firm, so I'm
Okay,
working with GCP Devops. So that is what my question is, and how to get the calls for interview, and
good.
yeah, that
So,
is what.
guys, to everyone, don't do the mistake which I have done. So, very good question you have asked. Never shift the company in 1 year, or never shift the company at third year. Shift the company in 2 years. Okay, which is very good, very apt, and I believe that. So, in my Infosys, I spent 3 years because I was thinking that I have not learned anything. I need to learn. By that time, my friends have jumped to other companies. Okay, so 2 years is good. By the time you start as you complete 2 years, you start the job search. By 2.3 or 2.2, depending on your notice period, you get into some other organization, right? And you spend there 2 years. So 2 years shift is good. If you believe that 1 year, don't shift. DevOps engineers with 1 year experience, package is less and people will don't never trust you, right? 2.5, 2 years is very good option. Okay.
Yeah, one more question. What is the future for GCP DevOps engineer? Like GCP, I have been
Okay.
working on.
Okay, 1 second. So I would like to tell you, there is no future for everything. To take GCP is there now, Azure is there now, now AWS is there. Okay, those things will definitely be there. And as a support engineer or as a development engineer, whatever it is, those will be running. So when you are asking future, definitely DevOps will be changed to something else, because everyone is a DevOps engineer, right? So we need to learn that and we need to go ahead. So whatever you are working, don't think of like future में क्या होगा, अभी जो है उसको कैसे हम बेटर कर सकते हैं, कैसे और डबल दी पैकेज, ट्रिपल दी पैकेज जो कंपनी दे रही है हम लोग कैसे ग्रैब करें, कैसे उस अपॉर्चुनिटी को लें, is what should be the focus. Many questions I get how the future is, so even I don't know, right, what future is, but I can say DevOps अगर सीख रहे हो तो और कुछ टूल्स आएगा. जैसे अभी मैं देख रहा हूँ डेटा इंजीनियरिंग आ रही है, तो डेटा इंजीनियरिंग भी सीख लेंगे, अगर हुआ तो उसमें डोमेन चेंज कर लेंगे. तो ऐसे ऐसे जाना है नगेश, ठीक है.
Thank you so much for motivation. I started Kubernetes just by seeing your video. Happy
Great,
Diwali.
awesome, happy
And
Diwali.
one last question. Can you explain about chatbots? I have heard so many times you have explained about chatbots you have made. Anything? What exactly you have made? How you start like this?
Okay, I should not tell now, because that things I am currently working. But in general, chatbots are those where we integrate with various messaging systems. I'll be definitely telling that in the coming days. Maybe not now, Nagesh. Okay. Okay, Nagesh, you there?
Thank you so much. Happy Diwali.
Okay, no problem. Happy Diwali, Nagesh. It was nice talking to you. Okay, so that was Nagesh here. Great, and I see, hi bro, learning list and dictionary will be sufficient in Python, or do we have to also go with DSA like trees? Okay, when you ask me DSA, don't go for like into the DSA more, right? So now on the Python, if I say, if you have seen my shell scripting session, how we are hitting the external website, how we are getting the data, how we are manipulating that data is what we need as a DevOps engineer. And if they are giving a situation, how you are implementing your tasks, what you have learned in Python, maybe using the list, maybe using the dictionary, maybe using the for loop, while loop, maybe using the strings, how you are playing with the strings, maybe using the Python oops concepts. So definitely, if you are able to learn it, learn it. I'm not going to stop that. Okay. Nilesh. Okay, Gopi, you want to come live or what? Like you have joined again the stream. I don't know, but
I
yeah,
was in trend.
yeah, Gopi.
Actually, I was in trend. I just moved. Praveen, actually, I just cracked first round in Walmart as a DevOps only. And after seeing your videos, I have gained a lot of, like, I got more confidence
Okay,
when compared to
that's
me.
awesome.
So, I have second round schedule also. So I just want to talk you personally. So is
Yeah.
that
Okay.
possible? Like,
Sure. So, guys, those who want to connect with me on one-to-one call, this is the link, topmate.io/Praveen underscore Singham. Okay. Book after Diwali. Okay. If your session is like very fast, then you can book. If you have time, you can book later. So this is my one-to-one link, which I have pinged you all. You can book a one-to-one session. So you can check out testimonials also. because I cannot give my phone number to everyone, right? I have given to 100 plus people before starting this URL, but after it came, I was taking all my one-to-one sessions here only. So because Gopi, okay, I guys, have you ever noticed I have not shared this URL to anyone? It will be on LinkedIn profile, and those who ask me, then only I give, because I cannot take 100 calls at a moment, right? So why I don't give this URL is, first of all, I don't get much time to talk with everyone, and the second thing is, because he said he has already cracked first round, so I wanted to guide him more. Okay, and you all know one of my student basically has cracked Walmart, and I have also shared the testimonial, right? So I wanted Gopi also to crack and join my community. So that is why. Okay, Gopi, you can connect with me here, maybe in Tuesday or Monday, or Monday. Yeah, anytime you can book in the morning or evening. Okay, so
Yeah,
that
thank
was
you.
okay. No problem. That was talking to Gopi. So Manadeep, I don't know, you are joining the stream, you are again leaving. Okay, 26 people are watching me. So Nilesh is asking, hey Praveen, I wanted to ask like what tech stack I should know as a fresher DevOps engineer. So Nilesh, when we are freshers, if you are able to talk and work on all the important topics which I have covered on the channel, that should be enough. Guys, I am telling you the truth, okay? If you are watching and all the documents you are going through on my channel, that should be enough to crack a good DevOps job, okay? That is what my confidence is, and I would definitely recommend to you all to check that, okay? So again, I will be leaving this link to Gopi and everyone, those who want to connect with me on one-to-one. This is my link, okay? And those who have not opted for the bootcamp documents, the link will be in the description of this video. You can go and check out that documents. I mean, as a link I have given, the documents will be shared to you to your email ID as a drive link, okay? Now I am taking one more question. So guys, anyone wants to come live? Already we have talked till 8:45 and 25 are watching us. I have joined the company as member of technical staff, but my profile is not inclined to domain, but getting a lot to learn, having 1 year of experience. Okay, Dhirendra, you can come and talk with me. I would like to know like what is that member of technical staff profile is, because you have not told what kind of profile you have been given. You have just told 1 year of experience, and you have got MTS. Okay, I don't know what you are working on, so I cannot tell anything. If you come live, at least on your video off, maybe I can suggest something. Okay, but there should not be an issue. MTS, if you are going as an MTS, I think you have joined good organization only. You can continue on that, and if you are still thinking that is not inclined, maybe after 1 year, switch into the other project. That should be helpful. Okay. Now, okay, I think some questions are there which I have not taken. Okay, Daniel, I have answered your question. What tasks I have answered, I completed, I have answered. Eyebrow coding, basically what level of depth should we focus? Okay, Jessa, I think I have answered this question. All my documents are good enough, and whatever we have discussed till now is good enough for this. Okay, so guys, okay, yes, great. So Parinita is asking, is it possible to get remote jobs? That is where the video is coming in this week, in the next week. Probably stay tuned. I have answered most of the questions, and I will be giving important links to you all in the video description also. So as Pranita is asking, and I am telling again and again, guys, all the videos will have important links and important documents in the description. Okay, so definitely check out all my videos, and whenever you are watching some video of mine, I would like to get your love on the video. Okay, at least a like. Okay, now okay, Akansha has told this. Sorry, I have missed Akansha, so that is where I was scrolling back. So Akansha is telling, hi Praveen and Ravish, festive seasons greeting to both of you, and I have started applying what practice I can follow to get frequency of calls, though I am religiously applying through LinkedIn. Okay, I think your resume should be changed, Akansha, lightly. Okay, so definitely connect with me next week anytime. We'll be because you are telling you are applying and you are not getting calls, so we will be working on your resume. And I know Akansha has come down to Bangalore in our meetup. Thank you for that, Akansha. I would definitely remember you and would like to connect you with you again. Okay, that's awesome. Okay, I have taken most of the questions. Still any questions, guys? Any questions? So I think it's 8:52. Any questions you can throw at me? Okay, and I would definitely answer those questions, because what happens is, because I am at home, I am doing this kind of life. If I was at Bangalore, I was not able to do, might be, right? So definitely I am back on track. All the videos will be released one by one. Whatever you are asking in the comments, I am going to do my best. Okay, and those who have won the goodies, definitely spread the word with your friends, right? In my company, no DevOps is there. Okay, Sai Krishna is telling in his company, no DevOps is there. Then you become DevOps engineer and suggest good practices to your deployments, right? Maybe you are deploying on the on-prem servers, which is not good in your future work. Definitely tell them that. Okay, tell your company people. So Sai Krishna is asking. Okay, Sai Krishna. Okay, Sai Krishna is telling, I recently got a job, but in my organization, no DevOps is there. Okay, Sai Krishna, have you joined as a DevOps engineer or some other domain and you have been assigned as a DevOps engineer? Because in every organization, DevOps practices will be there, but that might be sometime like constant, might be. Okay. And guys, I would like to ask 31 people of you, do you want to talk me in Hindi? Make some videos in Hindi also. Please tell me, because yes, happy Diwali, Ramesh. Thank you, Ramesh. Okay, Ramesh, yes, I remember you. Maybe I'm thinking you are my friend Ramesh from Chennai. Okay, so yes, happy Diwali to you. So guys, if you want to hear on Hindi, like, right, tell me in comments of different videos, then I'll be making some videos on Hindi also. Yes, okay, English भाई. Okay, Shailesh, एक दो videos थोड़ा हिंदी में होगा, but interview preparation for non-IT students, okay, this is good. Okay, I have noted few questions from you all. Adesh is telling, please make a video for interview prep for non-IT student. Okay, I'll definitely make. Okay, Lakshmi. Okay, Lakshmi has joined. Thank you, Lakshmi, for joining. So, guys, these all people are my actual supporters. Okay, and yes, thanks for joining. So, Vaibhav, yes, Vaibhav also, I know him. No, okay with both Hindi and English. Okay, that's awesome. English is better. Hi, Praveen. Is possible? Please cover roadmap for interview process for FANG organization. Okay, for Vaibhav Supe, Vaibhav, I have already given the my entire interview series playlist. So you check that Amazon interview experience, but I am giving the roadmap. Okay, guys, what questions I have got? I will make this videos. One question I got, I will type here roadmap for FANG. Okay, and top product based companies. Second one was interview preparation prep for non-IT students. And third question, I think some question was there, I missed it or what. Interview preparation. What was the other question, guys? Okay, I'm not seeing. So guys, as of now, these two are the questions which I got. I will make this. Okay, DevSecOps pipeline. Okay, third one is DevSecOps pipeline. Okay, got it. I will make the videos on these things. Okay, definitely. I will type dev. Third one is DevSecOps pipeline. Okay, these things I will definitely make it. Okay, and definitely we will connect again. Okay, 35 people are watching. Any questions? Okay, I see here one question is there. Hi, I'm working as a Linux admin for last 4 years. 4 years, is it good time to switch to DevOps? For that videos you are enough. Okay. Okay, Chandranshu has messaged me. I will ask him, can you join please, so that I can introduce you all. Okay, I have messaged him. If he is able to join, he will join. Okay, so these three questions you have asked, DevSecOps pipeline. Okay, any other questions you have, you can message me. I will definitely make videos on that. Okay, I don't know why the chat is not allowing me to send the this thing. Having trouble with your internet connectivity? Are you able to see me, hear me? I will tell a hi to everyone. No, it's not allowing me to send. But yeah, is that in interview they are going in deep deployment? Like what did you do front end part? What you did in front end part? I didn't got the question, Nageshwar. Front end part means what you did in front end part. Matlab, UI or else what is that? Your question, I didn't get that, Nageshwar. Okay, Qt Ops. Bro, did you create a pipeline for WordPress? Okay. Roadmap for Fang, I will create. These three questions I have noted down. I will keep it in my notes. Okay. Okay, I have kept in my notes. Qt Ops movement. Deepali has joined. Deepali has asked some questions. She is telling yes. Bhaiya, that interview they are going to deep. Okay, this question you have to tell me. Okay, Qt Ops is also our very old friend. Thank you and happy Diwali, bro. Okay, so Gangadhar. Okay, Gangadhar has joined. Hi, I'm a Linux admin of 4 years. Is it good time to switch in DevOps? For that, your videos are enough. Is there any tech? Okay, whenever I tell that my videos are enough, it means I have that confidence. Okay, apart from that, rest is in your hand how you take that, because I have given you all the important things with my interview questions for fan companies, SAP Labs, Informatica, which I'll be sharing. So definitely, I would say yes, but rest is in your hands. Okay. Vaibhav is asking how to grab overseas opportunities as DevOps engineer. So Vaibhav, I have made a video with Prerit Munjal where he is cracking many overseas interviews, and I have also made a live video with Shubham, who is in Amsterdam, okay, Netherlands. So check that. That is what I am telling, guys. Every video will have documents, okay, and in documents you will have all the opportunities, links, and everything. Okay, so definitely check out that. It will help you. Okay. So Viru is asking, is it possible that I can get a job as fresher in DevOps? Because most of the companies I have seen in. Okay, Viru, you have to apply for internships and startups when you are in fresher. If you have luck, you will definitely get. Okay. So now we have Sindhuja here. Hey, hi, Sindhuja. Okay, Sindhuja, you are on mute. If you want to talk, you can unmute yourself. Meanwhile, I'll take some questions. So Viru, yes, you try for internships, Viru, and check for the 2 videos with Prerit Munjal in my channel, as well as one more guy, Nikhil Singh. Okay, both of them have cracked 4 internships as a fresher, even they are not graduated from the college. Okay, so definitely check that. Okay. So guys, okay, okay, sorry, Sindhuja, okay, she has dropped off. That's fine. Like what you created in UI. Okay, no, Nageshwar, they will not ask what you have created in UI and all. Okay. Meena, yes, I know Meena also. I think I have seen her name. Can you make one video how to deal with HR after clearing all tech rounds? Okay, good. Noted. This point also noted. 4th video. HR. Okay, how I negotiated, I will tell. Okay, HR negotiation. Okay, how I negotiated my company experiences, interviews, I will tell. Thank you for that. Abdul Rahman is asking, like if it is shopping site data, images is huge. If we need to launch beta version, how that pipeline works? Okay, Abdul, I think I have missed your first question. Oh, okay, you are asking how you will launch that pipeline. If we need to launch beta version, how to do that? Okay, I'm still didn't get that. Any idea? Okay, when you are typing message, na, please shoot a single para because I'm not able to understand. Okay, Gangadhar, any other technologies which doesn't have coding? Tableau is good one. But see, when you are telling which doesn't have coding, then your package will be like that only. Okay, so make sure you at least learn some good technology and go with a good package, because at the end we need to make ourselves satisfy that okay, at the end we are doing something good. Okay. Okay, Dhirendra has joined this call. Okay, Dhirendra, I have taken you live. Sure, Praveen, thanks. Check out. Okay, thanks, Vaibhav. Yeah, hi, Dhirendra.
Hi, Praveen. I'm audible?
Yes, you are audible. Great.
Yeah, I just posted like I'm working as a member of technical staff at Center for Computation Technology. So basically, we are working with Autodesk as a company. If you might know Autodesk, so basically it is a company like which is making AutoCAD and all those things, right? Mm-hmm. So basically, I'm working on Autodesk platform services. So as I mentioned, like my domain is not being inclined towards a project over there. So I have been working on Python, creating OCR engines and creating some automation to reduce some human effort over there. And apart from this, we have some Autodesk platform service working on some React.js part. So okay. I wanted to basically switch into DevOps. So I just have had 1 years of experience. I've done 6-month internship with the same, and then it has been 4 to 5 months. I have
Okay,
here.
that's great. So, Dhirendra, I would like to tell you that you are working in a good thing. Okay, first of all, people don't have the automation knowledge at all, and you are telling you have worked with Python with some of the good automation. Then definitely, what I would suggest now, DevOps. So, anyways, you can learn with various YouTube channels, various documents, and everything. But getting the real-time hands-on with Python is good. So now you have two options, Dhirendra, because you are telling you have completed 6 months of intern plus 5 months, so you have completed 1 year. Okay, so what I would suggest, from now start working on the Python plus data engineering if you want to opt for data engineering, or Python plus DevOps. Now, because your question was how because you are telling you are not being assigned to the DevOps opportunities, then I would recommend you start working on those things in your personal laptop, or start learning on those things and prepare resume on top of that, right? So by the time you think that, okay, now I have to change my project or my company, you will be ready by that time. Okay, and 1 year is very less, Dhirendra. And being a good company, I would suggest and I would recommend you stay in that company for a few more months and start applying or start thinking. After doing the background work, then only do the job switch. Okay.
Yeah, thanks, Praveen. Thanks for your
No problem.
guidance.
All the best, and all the best. You are doing great, actually, I would say, because I didn't got chance to work with Python. With you are telling some libraries or something you told, which is really good. So go ahead and check out whatever stream you like. Based on that, you can pursue your future next career. Okay.
Yeah, thanks, Praveen. It was nice talking
Thank
to
you.
you.
Thank you. Same here. Yeah. So that was Dhirendra. Okay. Abdul, can you come on live? Abdul, you have asked me questions on various para, which is divided 1, 2, 3. I'm not able to understand. So I would recommend you, Abdul, to come live and ask me the question. Okay, Abdul. Okay, Abdul, please ask me the question. Okay. For those who don't know the link, okay, this is the StreamYard link, guys, which I have pinned on the chat also. And those who are watching me, please like on the video, so that every video which I launch, right, so that it will reach to the people who are actually in need. Okay. So this is the link which you all can join, and definitely it will help you. So Dikshant, okay, Vaibhav is telling Dikshant. Okay, Prabir Day is there. I will take him live. Okay, Prabir, you are able to hear me? Okay, Prabir, Indraja is asking, hello, Praveen, do online degrees are worth? Okay, very good question, Indraja. I would suggest, yes. See, we all did BTech, BE, or some 4 years degree or some 3 years degree. Okay, why the degree is important? To make us qualify to attend for the interviews, to attend some companies. Okay, similarly, if you are pursuing some another degree, it will help you to get the pass. It's like a ticket for next steps. Okay, so definitely degree is important. Okay, yes, degree is important. Indraja, hello, bhai, how can I get into that? So everyone is asking the same questions. So Prabir, I will remove you. I am not able to hear you. Okay, so I would request you to join back. Okay, yes. So Arnab, yes, you can definitely go into as a system engineer. Okay, and it will help you. Okay, bro, can you please suggest? Oh, okay, Gopi. Okay, guys, I see some private chats also. So, guys, in the private chats, it's good you are asking me. I missed that. Okay, Abdul is joining. First, I will add Abdul here. Hey, hi, Abdul. How are you?
I'm fine.
Good. You have board with you September 10. Private chats also. So, guys, okay, close the YouTube one. Okay, close the YouTube link which you have opened in other tab. Add Abdul here. Hey, hi, Abdul.
Hi. I'm fine. I just want to know that how that the pipeline.
Okay, close the other tab which you have opened in other window, the YouTube one.
Okay, I have closed it.
Great. Okay, ask me.
Okay, so I just want to know that how that pipeline work with the WordPress. Like we have in a shopping site, like we have huge data, right? In the like for the product images. So in that, how we can, like if you have a beta version of, like we need to launch that site. So how that will work with the Docker or like containerization or in the Kubernetes platform, how we can automate those processes.
Great. So see, it doesn't depends on the WordPress or Python or UI front end or a back end. Okay, every pipeline. If you so you don't have the pipeline with you in your organization, you are going to build, right?
No,
A
no,
beta
no, no.
version, correct? Na?
Yeah.
So that is really good opportunity. If you are going to do that, na, I would suggest take Jenkins, which is free of cost, free of source. Okay. Now, what tools you need to integrate? So because it is a beta version, I would request you to integrate with your Sonar, which is again a free tool. You have your Sonar.properties in your what we call in your project. If it is WordPress, then add property file, right? In the Sonar dashboard, create some project key, project name. Now, step one is install Jenkins. Step two, have Sonar Cube, because Black Duck and Fortify both are licensed software tools which are on the security side. So I won't recommend you to go with that. So next is check with which tool WordPress is getting builded. Okay. Now you have to tell me that which tool you are using for the build of WordPress and what is the output of the WordPress application.
We have designers, right? So if they want to change some designers, so we need to do that through the pipeline. So whenever we have done through the dashboard, the live site, it can be updated in that moment. Like, see, there is no history. We can get like Git
No, I'm
version.
asking. Let's take you have Java application. Okay, it will give you a jar binary, right? The jar .jar file. So WordPress, what it is giving as output when some tool is getting built?
No, WordPress, there is no output like.
No output, so it is directly static files you deploy in.
Yes.
Okay,
With MySQL,
Okay,
like
okay.
blog we used to do, right? Like blog, what we to do, we just from the backend we can dashboard. We have dashboard. From the dashboard we can have update anything. It will get live automatically.
For your question, I seriously then don't know about the WordPress. I have never worked on that. But yeah, this is a generic question. If you hit on YouTube, you will get how the data pipeline should be, how the deployment pipeline should be. Because I have to see before answering. I was thinking that it's like some Java application or front end application, which has some files where we get the binary, we deploy onto the server, and we host it. Okay. So as of now, I don't know.
If the case of Django, how it work, like we need to be like for the containerization, like Docker. Assume
Correct.
that how that kind of will work. I just want to know that.
See, whenever I will tell you with Java. Okay, let's take Java.
Like a shopping site.
Shopping site. Okay, let's take our shopping site is built with Java.
Django, Python.
Okay, Python. Let's take, this is the example. Let's take our website is built with Python. Okay. Now, as I have told you, Jenkins. Okay. Then Sonar Cube. Okay. Then your tool comes the Docker. Okay. Now, Python doesn't require the build. Okay. Just Python needs pip run or Python 3 run some file. You will say some main file. It will run the entire code and it will give the binary. Okay. When it runs or you make the file out of that, you containerize that. Okay, now we have some Python applications. What we do, we create the the Docker image out of that. So you have your Docker file in the same repository. You keep your Docker file and you say copy the Python entire repository, cp the entire or copy entire thing into some Docker container, and you give the commands. What the command? Run Python 3 main.py or some static.py or whatever it is. Now, once the Docker image is created, you will push the Docker image to Docker Hub, right? This is for the beta version. If you are talking about the Docker registry in your organization, then it will be some JFrog Nexus or something. Now, once you push that, you have your Ansible. Ansible is also free. Okay, install Ansible, write one Ansible script which is hitting the Docker Hub, getting the data, getting the Docker image, and deploying into the AWS. First, you do with one AWS static EC2 instance. Okay, and make sure that is a public IP. Okay, where you are able to access, or everyone from your team is able to access. Okay, now you see how the IP is 10.1.1. / some 8080 port. The Python project will be running. Okay, with Flask and Django. Now, once that is completed, make sure you have some website URL with the help of Amazon Certificate Manager. Okay. Okay. Now you see like www.shoppingcart.com, your Django application is up, and you are able to see all the Python code, everything, your static website. Yeah.
Yes.
So this is how in every project we follow actually.
But like for if it is shopping site, there will be a lot of data, right? When we are containers, the image size will be very high, and it will take time to there if there is a lot of images, it the like what I can
For
tell
this,
you.
I will tell you. Okay, we never store. Okay, in any application, guys. This is for everyone. Those 25 people are watching me. This is for everyone. For you also. Wherever we deal with the like Paytm is there, which has high images. Meesho, Flipkart. All these images are not stored with the Python code. Okay, they are stored in S3 or some other static buckets. From there, the rendering happens. Okay, it's not stored in the code, and that is where I think you have added in your code in some folder. From there you are trying to fetch. Now what you
Yes,
need to
yes.
do, remove all those things. No, never in the code. Then your code is very huge, and your Docker image will be big. That is
Yes.
waste of time, a waste of amount also. You remove all those things and try to check how you are placing that into free S3 bucket, and from free S3 bucket, however Python is trying to extract that. Okay.
Okay, great.
So I have given you good time, Abdul. It was nice talking to you. I'll take some more questions. It's already 1 hour 10 minutes. Okay. Yeah. Thank you, Abdul. Yeah? I
Okay,
hope
thank
it
you.
helped.
Thank you, Praveen. Thank you.
Okay. Yeah. Bye. Okay, that was nice talking to you. It is 1 hour 10 minutes. 28 people are watching. So guys, Gopi and everyone, those who have taken the documents, I will be sending those documents. Don't worry, because see, every time I have to go into the portal, see that who has sent me the payment option. I need to check that, and I need to send the document. So one person for every day, I cannot keep a track, right? I will send. Don't worry. Okay. Now, why I got out? Okay. I have questions. Okay. Nagesh is asking. Okay, Nagesh, what's the correct time to switch after first come? Okay. Nagesh, go ahead. I have taken you on live. You can talk with me. Okay. Okay. What's the time? This Nagesh, I have answered this question. So the perfect time to switch is 2 years in every company. Okay, Nagesh is not able to answer. Okay, Nagesh is telling big thanks, happy birthday, happy Diwali. Okay, now Nilesh, hey Praveen, how can I get interview calls for DevOps fresher, and what platform should I get? Okay, first you try to Nilesh, and for everyone, those who are asking me for the 1 year experience or freshers, I have released 2 podcasts. Go and check. One podcast will be with Prerit Munjal. One podcast will be with what is that? Nikhil Singh. Okay. I have talked so much, guys. It's like a session for me with you all. It was really good. After 2 months, we have come into again live, and I am really feeling happy to talk with you all on this auspicious occasion of Diwali. And as you all know, we have given the giveaway for the goodies, and those will be reaching to the people by this week. Mostly I have put in DTDC. Those will be reaching out to the people, and so much love you have shown to the channel. Keep supporting me. Share it with your friends, those who are actually in help. That will really help me to grow also, right? And also, whenever a video is released, please hit a like so that it will reach to maximum number of similar kind of people. Okay, so with that said, yes, thank you Nilesh, thank you everyone for staying with me till now. It was really awesome talking to you. And after this video is getting completed, I always tell that you have to comment on the video. If anyone is watching after the chat is after the live is completed, they will come to know what we have discussed. Okay, so if you feel that this video has added some add-ons to you, definitely comment down after the stream is ended, so that people will come to know, okay, I am helping you all, or you are getting some benefit out of my channel. Okay, so definitely it was nice talking to you, and very happy Diwali and safe Diwali. Next videos also have been recorded. I'll be releasing those. Definitely watch those things. I have taken all your questions now. I have noted down. So 3 questions: roadmap for FANG, interview preparation for non-IT students, DevSecOps pipeline, HR negotiation. So these videos will be coming in, and I'll be sharing all my experiences with you all. Again, thanks a lot. Take care, stay safe, and I would recommend you to at least request you all to like the video, and after the stream is ended, at least 2-3 people or 4-5 people, please comment that how you felt talking with me. Okay, with that said, big things are coming up, right? Stay supporting me, keep supporting me, and all the best to you all. Hope you get some good opportunities in the coming days and in the coming year also. Stay safe, take care, bye. Okay, you all can drop off. I think my internet connectivity is not good. So I am trying to end the podcast. Yes, bye. Yes, thanks. Thank you, Abdul. It was really nice talking to you.